Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Cindy. I'm from Chemistry Education Class B. So in this video, I will discuss the result of my practicum. So, namely the module is zeolite synthesis from rice, husk, ash, or RHA. So objective is synthesis zeolite from RHA. Literature review. Zeolite is a group of mineral produced from hydrogen from hydrothermal process in alkaline igneous rocks. This mineral is usually found filling or cracks from the rocks. In addition, zeolite is also a precipitate of volcanic activity which contains a lot of silica. The term zeolite refers to a three-dimensional inorganic polymer network of an aluminosilicate crystal family. Zeolite minerals are formed from tetrahedral SeAl, which are interconnected with shared use of hydrogen atoms. Synthesis of zeolite is a chemical compound that has the same physical and chemical properties as natural zeolite. The zeolite is made from other materials with the synthesis process. Because zeolite is generally able to absorb, exchange ions, and become a catalyst. Experimental work scheme. First, weighing RHA as much as 15 grams for 3 comparisons. Next, weighing KOH as much as 10 grams, 8.75 grams, and 7.5 grams. Add 10 ml of water each. Weigh Al2 SO4 3 kali as much as 3.75 gram for 3 comparisons. And then add 10 ml of water each. Next, mix KOH solution with Al2SO4 3 kali and RHA from each comparisons. Heat up with water bath while stirring until the solution is thick. Next, transfer the solution into THR watch glass and dry it in the oven. And then observe the change that occur. Discussions. First, in the synthesis of zeolite, use rice husks as from furnace burning in the village of North Toto, Tilong Kabila. The use of rice husks is in the zeolite synthesis because the sample contains silica ions, which are the contents of zeolite. In this picture, the first things to do is weigh the ashes of rice husks as much as 7.5 grams for 3 comparisons. So the total use of rice husk is 22.5 grams. Next, weighing KOH as much as 5 grams, 4.375 grams, and 3.75 grams. So that the total weight of KOH used is 30.125 grams. After getting a sample with the appropriate weight, it is continued by making KOH solution by adding aqueous as much as 10 ml in each comparison. Next, Weighing Al2SO4 3 kali as much as 1.875 for 3 comparisons, so the number of sample used is 5.625 gram. The picture is Next, after getting the sample continues by making a solution by adding aqueous as much as 10 ml in each comparison. Explain the rice Husk as KOH solution and Al2SO4 3 kali solution in each comparison so as to get a pitch black solution. The reactions resulting from mixing KOH with rice Husk as are as follows. So the reaction is SiO2 tambah 2 KOH menghasilkan K2SiO3 ditambah H2O. Next, the reaction resulting from the mixing of KOH with rice Husk as coupled with Al2SO4 3 kali is follows. K2SiO4 ditambah Al2SO4 3 kali menghasilkan K2SO4 ditambah zeolite. After all the ingredients have been mixed and produce a black solution, then the solution will be heated using a hot plate. Heating use a hot plate is intended to make a thick solution before heating using an oven. This heating is done to evaporate the heat in order to get the results of a thick solution. After getting a thick solution, transfer the solution into the watch glass whose surface has been welded with filter paper. After that, heat the solution. Heating in the oven is done for 30 minutes until the zeolite dries. Next, drying the oven is done, releasing water trapped in the zeolite. The result is that the zeolite turns solid and pitch black in color. So the conclusion is, from the experiment carried out, it can be concluded that zeolite can be synthesized from rice Husk because it has a lot of silica content. This rice Husk as consists in the literature is 92 of 95% silica, which has a pore, is like tin, has a broad external superfice, so it is very useful as an adsorbent and insulator. So, thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.